Okay, hey, welcome back. One of my subscribers asked me to show people how to clean the fish, how to fillet them. I have 2 trout, a whiting, and a flounder. So I'll show you how to do that, or how I do it anyway. Here's one of our big trout. Oh, trout down. Wanted to measure him. He is 18 inches. Pretty good sized trout. We're gonna eat tonight. We're gonna eat these guys tonight, so we're gonna go ahead and clean them up and show you how I fillet them. Now the trout, speckled trout, white trout, all that, they're very easy. I use an electric knife. I just start right here. Just come right down the bottom. Leave a little skin on them. Come right down to this side. And there's one fillet. Then I go back, pull out the rib cage, and I'm done. There's one fillet. The rest of the stuff goes back for crabs, because crabs need to eat too. Flip it over, and you just want to follow the backbone of these fish. Fillet knife, electric one is so easy. I mean, it's just, a lot of the old timers, they don't use these, but I actually like them. And somebody also told me to keep the eggs. So you know what? This is a good egg sack right here. I might fry that up and see what it tastes like. Then go again, just go right down, get those ribs out of there. And another nice fillet. I'll wash them all off. Now, if I can get the flounder out, I'll show you how to do the flounder. I don't know what that thing was eating. It's a weird piece of something. There he is. There's the flounder. Told Chris I think it was 14. And he is exactly 14. Which one? This is pretty cool. Now, flounder, you get 4 fillets off. You got to cut it right down the middle here. And then on the back side, you do the same thing. So again, you find the middle. Cut it right there. Then it's almost the opposite of what you do with the other fish. Here, you follow them up to the backbone. Just keep going right down the side. Follow the rib cage all the way out till you get to the end. Not as easy, but flounder, that's why they cost so much in the store, because they taste so good. Come down, finish it off. Again, flip it over. And there's one nice flounder right there. Flounder. There's one fillet. What's nice about a flounder is you get 4 fillets. Turn it back over. There's fillet number 2. Turn the guy over, go down the same thing. There's like a little line right there. Now these pieces are not as thick, but they're still good. So you do the same thing, and you just follow it right down the old bone. A little slippery. Okay. There's another fillet. Got one more fillet left. It's not going to be that thick, but it's still a good fillet. So I always take my time and try to get as much meat off of these flounders as you can get. Alright, that's the best thing to do, is try to get as much as you can. I know I do. And this is going to be your skinniest piece, the belly. But it is a fillet, and it's a good one. See, I mean, that flounder, you get as much, I mean, you get nothing left, nothing but bones. Nothing but bones. All right. The other fish I got another trout, and then I got this is a whiting, and really good to cook. You get them, you want to catch them and eat them the same day, and then you just fillet just like you would a trout. Ooh, there's another egg sack. Let's see if I can keep that in there. Again, these are whitings. Whiting is a real good tasting fish. It is right up there with a flounder, redfish, good eating. Go right down the same thing. You go right down the old belly, get the bones out. It's like store-bought fillet. And another egg sack. Put that in there too. All right. That's how you clean a whiting and a trout. I got another trout to clean, but I don't think you really need to see that. Thanks for watching.